We're getting in these pictures. Anger over Renuka's murder. Massive protest across the state of Karnataka. Chorus growing for justice for Renuka Swami. Protest against actor Darshan. From Karnataka's Chitradurga to Belagavi, anger spilling on the streets of Karnataka. This is news coming in from the state of Karnataka, where there are protests that have broken out across the state. I'm going to go across to Anaga for more details on that. Anaga, talk to us about where these protests are getting held. Who are these protesters?
You know, Sneha, at the moment the protest is being held in Chitradurga, exactly that place where Renuka Swami hails from. It is in Chitradurga where the protest at this moment is getting intense. On Sunday, the pro-Kannada activists protested in Belagavi, demanding justice for Renuka Swami. And today the protest is happening in Chitradurga. Likewise, similar protests are happening across the state of Karnataka. Nobody really at this point, Sneha, is keeping quiet. All of them are demanding for one single thing, that somebody like Darshan, who is notoriously known for his arrogance, somebody who loses cool very easily, somebody who is capable of hitting somebody because they played his colleague Puneet Rajkumar's song at a bar. So that's the kind of ego, that's the kind of inflated ego that Darshan has, Sneha. And he has been known for this. Even his relationship with media hasn't been so friendly all these years. It has always been frayed. And he's too quick to get violent and even abuse somebody physically at the drop of the hat. That's the kind of arrogance that we are talking about at this point. And now it has reached its tipping point. People across the state of Karnataka, from all organizations, even pro-Kannada organizations, Karnataka Rakshana Vedike, Veerashaiva organizations, all of them have come down for one single cause, that Darshan should be punished if found guilty. Enough is enough. We have taken everything all these years. He is known for his arrogance, and if it is proven that he is indeed involved in the crime, then he should be punished. No special favoritism should be meted out to him because he is Darshan, because he has political influence, is the kind of growing call that we are seeing across Karnataka.
These are pictures, in fact, coming in of protests being held across the state of Karnataka, even as the investigations intensify in the murder of Renuka Swami. Pictures out of the protests that are being held right now. Anaga, talk to us a little about, the investigations so far, in which so many people have been detained already by the police who are looking into this matter.
Well, Sneha, you know, one can confidently say that this can be one of the most biggest murder most foul, because we have 17 people who are under police custody so far just for, for this case. So all in all, 17 people, all of them who come under Darshan's gang, all of them are Darshan's close aides, starting from bodyguards to taxi drivers to his close aides. Everybody, who is involved in this particular murder are being interrogated. Nobody is being spared, including the top actors in cinema industry, Mr. Chikkanna, who is known for his comical drones. He's also seen alongside with Darshan in so many of his films. Even Chikkanna was also summoned yesterday because Darshan, before he left to the murder spot in Bengaluru, was found to be partying with his colleague in the cinema industry, Chikkanna. So, questions were being raised to Chikkanna as well. Did Darshan reveal anything in that inebriated state? Did he talk to you about him? Was he getting frequent calls? That's the kind of investigation that Karnataka police are doing. Apart from that, they're even trying to retrieve mobile phones from the same sewage dump where Renuka Swami was found. One is mobile phone of one of the accused and the other is mobile phone of the Renuka Swami. This mobile phone, Sneha, can also serve as a very crucial piece of evidence, because retrieving the mobile data from these phones can actually lay out the kind of conversational exchanges that went between Darshan and his close aides on how to plan this murder out, how to dispose the body, who should we contact. So, this particular mobile data can also serve as a very crucial piece of evidence. So the police at this point are trying to retrieve that mobile phone. They're also conducting spot inquest at an apparel shop in RR Nagar, because sources have confirmed to us that the accused, after murdering Renuka Swami, they wanted to do change of clothes, and that's why they went to a private apparel shop in RR Nagar to do change of clothes. Apparently, three of them went to that shop, brought in new clothes, changed it, and tried to dispose of the blood-stained T-shirts, only so that the evidence can be destroyed.